Hello and welcome to my chair yoga video. This video is aimed at all levels and can be done in your workplace or at home in a chair. It's especially good for seniors or anyone with limited mobility. If you enjoy this YouTube video, I'd recommend watching it every morning or as often as you can to become more familiar with it. Please remember, the more you practice this yoga routine, the more confident you'll feel following the video and the easier and more natural it will become. Always listen to your own body and listen to any limitations you may have, leaving out anything you may find difficult. You may also like to check out my other yoga videos, which you can find by subscribing to my YouTube channel, Sarah Lane Therapies. Please first watch the video all the way through before following in your chair to check that it's a suitable level for you, and so you know what to expect when you're ready to practice. When you're ready now, find a comfortable position seated on your chair, with the legs uncrossed. And if the feet can't touch the floor, supporting them with a pillow or a block. The hands resting in the lap or on the knees. The spine nice and tall, and gently relaxing the shoulders down the breath. And in your own time, take 3 slow deep breaths. To encourage the whole of the body to soften and to relax with the breath. Relax the shoulders, relax the jaw, relax the arms, the hands. If your mind starts to wander in your practice today, keep drawing your attention to your breath. You'll begin by circling the head. So we'll take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lower your chin to your chest. On your next breath, then we'll circle the head in one direction, encouraging the chin up to the ceiling. And as you exhale, complete the circle. Inhaling again, circling the head up towards the ceiling. And exhale, gently lower. Again, inhale, circling the head up towards the ceiling. And exhale, gently lower. We'll do one more in this direction. Inhale, circling the head up. This time on the end of the exhale, we'll inhale and change the head into the other direction. So circling the head now in the other direction. And on your exhale, gently lower. Inhale, raising up the head. Exhale, gently lower. Last time, inhale, raising the head. And on the end of this exhale, now bring your head into its natural position in the center. We'll inhale, squeeze the shoulders up to the ears, and exhale, gently draw them down and back. Inhale, squeeze the shoulders up to the ears, and exhale, gently draw them down and back. Last time, inhale, lifting the shoulders up to the ears, and exhale, gently draw them down and back. We'll now bring the left hand across the body onto the right knee, the other hand just behind the back. Inhale and exhale, come into a gentle spinal twist. Inhale, come into the center, we'll swap the hands, right hand onto the left knee, and exhale, now looking behind you. Inhale, come into the center. We'll start doing some cat-cow breaths. So hands on the knees. So inhale, lift your chest, chin looking up. Exhale, really round the back, tucking under the chin. Inhale, lift the chest, chin looking up. And exhale, gently round. Last time, inhale, lift your chest, chin looking up. And exhale, gently round. We'll now bring the fingertips onto the shoulders, and we'll do exactly the same, but also rotating the elbows. So inhale, lift the chest, chin and elbows. Exhale, gently round. Inhale, lift the chest, chin and elbows. And exhale, gently round. Last time, inhale, lift your chest, chin and elbows. And exhale, gently round. Changing direction now, we'll inhale, lift the chest, chin. Changing direction. Exhale, gently lower. Inhale, lifting up. and exhale, gently lower. Inhale, lifting up. Now this time we'll exhale, release the arms, gently lowering the arms down. We'll inhale, stretch the arms up overhead, and exhale, lower. Inhale, lift the arms up overhead, really stretch towards the ceiling, and exhale, lower. Last time, inhale, lifting up. Now we'll exhale, lower your left hand to the side, stretch over to the left. Inhale, come to the center, raising both arms, and exhale to the other side. Inhale into the center, raising both arms. Exhale over to the left, this time supporting your weight on the chair. Inhale, coming to the center, raising both arms. Exhale to the left, again supporting on the chair. Inhale, come into the center, raising both arms. Exhale, back over to the left. This is the last time, but we'll pause here just for a moment. Keep breathing. Next breath in, when you're ready, we'll come to the center. And exhale, gently lower to the other side. And again, we'll pause here for a moment, looking under your arm towards the ceiling. Inhale, come to the center, raising up. We'll exhale, gently lower. Relaxing the shoulders down the back just for a few breaths. On your next breath in, now raise the arms up. We'll interlace the fingers and push the palms towards the ceiling. Stretching the hands, the forearms, looking to wherever feels comfortable. We'll take a deep breath in here. And as you exhale, we're going to lower the hands in line with the heart. Separate the shoulder blades and tuck under the chin. Stretching now across the back, the shoulders, the arms, the hands. Inhale, now raise the arms up. Exhale, release the fingers, wobbling the fingers. We'll interlace the fingers in front and we'll circle the wrists, relaxing the wrists. So nice big figure eights. Now trying to do the same, but keeping the forearms together if you can. And then when you're ready, changing direction. And then opening the forearms as well to finish as we started, shaking out the hands. Come slightly forward on your chair if you're able. And we'll inhale, raise the arms up. As you exhale, we'll lower the hands behind the back, taking the same grip, interlacing behind the back. Inhale, lift the chest, chin, and we'll exhale, come into a seated forward fold and lift the hands to wherever feels comfortable. And allow your neck just to have a gentle stretch, relaxing the head down. Just pausing, just observing how this feels in the back and the shoulders. On your next breath in, we're going to subtly twist the torso to the left, looking to wherever feels comfortable. When you're ready, inhale into the center, and then exhale, subtly twist all the way over to the right. Inhale, come into the center. And we'll exhale, lower the hands down, release the fingers, tuck under the chin, round the back, and gently come up, relaxing the shoulders down the back. Listening for any clicks or tension. Now when you're ready, we'll bring the hands on the inhale up in line with the shoulders, and we'll start with small backward circles. So circling from the shoulders, so keeping the wrists nice and still. Warming up the shoulders, very good at strengthening the arms and making the circles a little bit bigger each time. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. So listening for any clicks or any tension. You may start to feel this in your arms now, so stopping if you need to, or keep going, depending on how your arms feel. And then we'll bring them back in line with the shoulders, and we'll change direction. So starting with little circles, going forward, slowly making the circles bigger and bigger, observing if the forward circles or the backward circles feels more comfortable. And close the eyes if you're practicing this for the second time. Shaking out the hands, relax the hands. And relax the shoulders again here. And then when you're ready, we'll come into goddess posture. So bringing the arms up in goddess arms, elbows in line with the shoulders, wrists in line with the elbows, roughly at right angles. and spreading the fingers. We'll take a deep breath in here. As you'll exhale, twist very softly to the right. Inhale, coming into the center, and exhale, subtly twisting to the left. Inhale, coming into the center. Exhale again, twisting to the right. Inhale, coming into the center, and exhale, twisting to the left. Inhale, coming into the center. We'll do one more on each side. Exhale, now twisting to the right. Inhale, coming into the center, and exhale, twisting to the left. Inhale, come into the center. As you exhale, lower the arms down, give them a good shake. Shaking the hands, really relaxing the arms. This is a really good strengthening posture. Rolling back the shoulders, relaxing the back. Relaxing the shoulders. Now, if you are able to move your legs, you'll gently lift up your left leg, but point the toe, and then when you're ready, pushing away the heel. So pointing the toe and pushing away the heel. Last time, pointing the toe and gently lowering down. We'll inhale, now lift the other leg up, pointing the toe and then pushing away the heel. Pointing your toe and push away the heel. Last time, pointing the toe and gently lower down. So this is where the practice is going to finish today. So if you enjoyed this practice, please let me know by writing a comment or clicking the like button below. You can also share this video using the buttons below. Remember to listen to your own body and do whatever feels comfortable. So the more you practice anything, the more natural and relaxing it will become if you would like to repeat this video. I'll also be doing another chair yoga video to focus on the legs and the lower body. So if you're interested, you can subscribe to my yoga page, Sarah Lane Therapies. Thank you very much. Goodbye.